And the first proverb about the rain, it was raining cats and dogs. So when it
Yeah.
is too heavy rain, then there was one more word for it. I think downpour. Downpour
Yes.
means
Yes.
it's raining cats and dogs.
Yes.
Okay, so I think you missed the last class, but I scheduled it on the YouTube, I think. I don't know whether you have seen it or
Yes.
not.
I'll watch it. I'll watch it. Yes.
So we will proceed from further of that, and it's good that Srimoy has shared the answer key with me as well. So at the same time, we can know that we are on the right path as well. Okay. So where is our group? Okay. Okay. So up to which question we did in the last class, beta? I think this was done. I told you to do all this. I don't know whether you have done it or not.
Sir, which ones?
Question number 4.
Question number 4. I might have been absent.
Yeah, you was absent, but I'm asking Shremoy. Have you done this question? I told you how to do it and you finished? Oh my god, good. So let's yeah, we can okay, we will continue from the question number 6. Good one. And today we don't have any other class after this. So I don't have means we can extend the class. Alright? We can go slow. Hmm? You want to write down the question as well? Okay. You can write down the question. Till the time you are writing, I am going to make you understand the question as well.
Yes.
So Jason sails his boat. Sails means this sailing the boat. From the point A for a distance of 100 kilometers. So this is point A. He is sailing the boat towards this direction. On a bearing of 112 degree. Bearing means the angle, the degree of rotation. And the bearing is always, we say, compared with the north. And north is taken as 0 degree. This is known as 0 degree.
Yes, sir.
Okay, north is taken as 0 degree, and if I ask you about 112 degree, so you will put your protector here and you will rotate. So this is 90, you can say it is just above it. So this is 112 degree bearing. To arrive at the point B, he then sails on a bearing of 041. So again you see this is 041. He is going like this and reaches to the point C. Jason's journey is shown in the diagram. And it's very important to understand Srimoi bearing. If you don't know what bearing is, you can't make the diagram as well. Because if I ask most of the students, what they will do is they will make point A like this, they will go 100 kilometer like this, they will show point B and they will show 41 degree, so they will go like this 41 degree. But this is a completely misconception. When there is a bearing given, the word bearing itself means you have to calculate the angle from the north. And this is always 90 degree. So east is 90 degree, it is more than east. So this is how you can understand how the graph has to be made. The picture has to be made. Sometimes the picture might not be given. So it should be you who should understand, read the question and make the figure. And she was from which area? Which part of the country? You don't know that as well. From the accent you couldn't make?
Wasn't she also Bengali? You said. Oh,
Okay.
probably Kolkata.
So she she hid her face for 2 years.
will compare me to all her other students.
When you are the only one, then how can somebody will compare you?
And she was like, my other student got 99 on her chemistry test. You should be more like her.
Uh, See, marks doesn't matter in life. What matters is the understanding. If you understand, marks is the, we can say it's the outcome. You should enjoy the process. So let's do the question now. So I'm just going back to the question now. So the question is saying us find ABC. So ABC means they are asking angle ABC, right?
Yes.
The small toppings on this is the angle. I think that is the angle. So you just add 90 degree to this. No, this is not 90. Okay. So I will draw a construction here. Are you able to see this line, dotted line?
Yes.
Okay. So we need to find ABC. Okay. So it's a wonderful question. I thought that it is as easy, but this is not easy.
Yeah.
So this is given to us as 100. And what else is given? This is given as 112 degree. So can you tell me what could be this angle? This angle is 90. So can you tell me what will be this angle, beta?
112 minus 90.
So tell me how much it is? 22? And if this is alternate interior angle, this is going to be 22 as well. And if this is going to be 90 degree, that means 22 plus what is 90? Can you tell me what is 22 should be added to watch number to get 90? So it should be 8 followed by 6. So now it has become easy now. So angle ABC is equal to 68 plus 41, 109 degree. Let me again make you understand. So I draw two lines, three lines in fact. So this is the first line that I draw. You can see like this. This is the second line which I draw, and then this is the third line which I draw. Can you see all the three lines? So I said that north is 90 degree and this whole angle is 112. So this might be 22 degree. And if this is also 90 degree, and this line, these two lines are parallel to each other, so alternate interior angles are equal. This angle must be equal to this angle. So if this is 22, this is also 22. And this whole part is 90, then this has to be 68. And they are asking us this angle, this whole angle. So 68 plus 41 is going to be 109. I want one of you to have a check on the answer key as well at the same time, so that we can see that we are on the right path, because again I have to go and see. So one of you just keep checking that we are doing right.
Okay, wait, I'll open it. This is question 4, 6.
Sixth. So angle ABC is
109 degrees, yes.
9 degree, right? Okay. Now point C.
But they did something different. No, they didn't. Never mind. I thought they did something different.
They did the same way?
They did 41 degrees plus 180 minus 112. So then they did 41 plus 90 minus 22.
Okay, it's okay. You have understood this concept, right? You want to understand that as well? I can make you understand that as well.
Yeah.
Okay, then if you want to understand that, then let's do that as well. So that means this 22 is there. So what is the total angle if I ask you? What is the total angle if I ask you? Total angle is 180. Okay. And you have to subtract 22 from this. Why is 22? Because this is 22. Alright. And this angle also you need to subtract. But how you will know that this angle is how much? So if this is 41 degree, this is how much? This could be 41 plus 49. So minus 49. I think that way also you can get the answer. So 9 plus 2 is 11, 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 1 7. So 180 minus 71. So 109 degree. That's all. That also you can find the way. So there are multiple ways. Point C is directly east of point A. You can see C is directly east of point A. This is east.
Or was that the other solution?
What beta?
Was the subtraction the other solution?
This one?
Yeah.
I told you that if this angle is 41 beta, what could be this angle?
49.
49? Because total sum is 90, right? And if this is 22, this will be 22 as well.
Yeah.
So total angle will be how much? So you will say this straight angle is how much? This is 180 minus. So what are the angles which are not involved? So 22 and 49 is not involved. So we'll write 22 plus 49. So 180 minus 71. This is 109. Okay.
Yeah.
Now the solution that they gave you, I haven't seen it, but I can guess how they could have done it. So up to this part is clear to you?
Yes.
Okay. So what I'm doing is I'm erasing all this again. So you keep doing question and you are getting the money as well. I got 80 rupees to solve the question. Okay. Now let us suppose that this line is, these two lines are parallel to each other. So if this is 112 beta, what could be this angle? Tell me. If this is 112, what could be this angle?
112 minus 180.
No, you are saying opposite. 180 minus 112.
Yeah. Sorry. Yeah.
So how much you will get?
68.
Huh?
68.
68. So they are saying that this angle is 68.
Hmm.
So if this angle is 68, this will also be 68 because they are alternate interior angles.
Yeah.
And then you can add these two angles. That way also is fine. So that means I can guess that they have done like this. 100. So you get 68 and then you will add 68 plus 41 to get 109. This is also very easy part.
Yeah.
Understood? This is more easy. This is more easier. We don't need to run away with 22 and all those angles. This is quite better easy because what we need has to come here. Just a single construction we have done. So let's move on to the next question.
Yes, sir.
So they're saying that calculate the distance that Jason sails to return directly from point C to A. That means they want us to find this distance. All right, this particular distance. Now we know these angles. This angle is how much? 109 degree. This side is how much? 100 kilometer. We are not aware. Are we aware about BC? Is it given to us BC in the question? So he then sails the bearing 60 Jason's journey is shown in the figure. Okay. So no information about BC as well. We have the information about this angle. We have the information about this angle. And we have the information about, now we can have the information about this angle as well. So if this is 109, this is 22. This angle is going to be 131 is the sum. So 49 I think. Just check it out. Is it 49?
Yes, sir. I'll just go check. One second. So what did you get?
49 beta.
It's 125. Wait, no.
Oh my dear. This is 109.
49 degrees, and then the kilometers, it's 125.
No, I'm not asking about kilometer. I'm just solving the question. I'm saying that this angle is 49 degree. You understood this part?
Yes, that's 49.
Now, my another question is, if you know all the three angles of a triangle and one side of a triangle, which rule among the sine or cosine will you use to find the other sides? So when is the sine rule used and when is the cosine rule used? Cosine is rule is used if you have been given two sides and the included angle between them. See, if these are the two sides and the included angle are given, then you will use the cosine rule to find the third side. Or you have been given all the three sides to find this angle, then you can use the cosine rule. But if only one side is given to you, then which rule comes into play? And the angles are given, then sine rule. So we can say that 49 upon sine 49 upon 100 is equal to sine 109 upon AC. So AC is going to be sine 109 upon sine 49 into 100. All right. Now let us go with the calculator now. So first I will write 109 times sine 109 degrees how much? 0.9455 multiplied by 100, 94.551 divided by, what was the other angle? 49. So divided by 49 sine of 45 degree, and I am getting 125.282. Is it right?
Yes.
Shrimoy, understood beta? I hope you know how to use a calculator. That's the important part. Don't ignore that.
We have to buy a special calculator for our exams.
Yeah, so
It's a GDC.
okay, you can buy it from the Amazon, I think.
Yeah. They'll send us a link and then we'll purchase it. So we'll have to learn how to use that one too.
Yeah, so my students from America, they are using it already.
From
So they-
America.
Yeah,
Wow.
so they showed me. So one of the student is there. His name is Krishiv. He take the class in the morning. He's also in the 11th grade. Same.
Oh.
But right now he is learning quadratic.
Oh, so simple.
Yeah.
Yeah, America. See these.
No, the
Western
first
people-
the first chapter is functions, and then followed by quadratic functions. How to graph the quadratic function.
Oh, but basically, the Western curriculum is easier than this.
Indian one. IB
Yeah.
is the toughest.
Yeah.
IB and IGCSE.
Yes. Because A levels.
Shimoy, done beta?
But actually, I've seen A level question papers. They're very easy. I've seen. One of the questions was very simple. I forgot. It was like find the hypotenuse, and they gave
It was so simple that you forgot the question as well.
No.
Because if it was tough, then you should have remembered it. The tough questions are never forgotten.
Exactly.
Okay, done, done, beta. Shall we move on to the next question?
Yes.
Okay.
So do I need to write the question or can I just draw the diagram?
Don't need to write the question. When I will draw the figure, then you draw with me.
Should I just draw the figure? That's it.
Let's first understand the question. Okay, the understanding of the question is important part. Agriti, be ready.
Yes, sir.
So point H on the hot air balloon. So we need to find the hot air balloon where it is. I found that only the first question was a bit tough. Rather, all other questions are quite easy. The first question was Hila Dalara. It was so tough. Okay. Point H on a hot air balloon is sighted. You can see here. Sighted. Sighted means it is visible.
Yeah.
At the same time by two observers. So two of them are observing at the same time. One is at A and one it is B. So A is watching it as 40 degree and the angle of elevation for B is 57 degree. It is 17 degree more. Okay. And one observer is at the top of the vertical building which is 156 meters tall. So this building height is how much? 156 meters tall. The other observer is at the base of the building. So he is at the base of the building at this point. The angle of elevation from the point A is 40 degree and the angle of elevation from the point B is 57 degree. Point X is the ground directly opposite to point H. This information is shown in the diagram. So what we need to do is, now you draw the graph, now you need to draw the diagram. So how to draw it? See this. First you will draw B, then you will draw X, then you will draw H and mark this angle as 57 degree. Alright. Then you must draw a line like this. Let us say at some height. What was the height given to us? 156 meters. And from there you will draw a line like this. And then from here you will draw a parallel line like this and you will show that this angle is 40 degree.
Yes.
Then I want you to name all the remaining figure. So this is A, this is H. Let us name this as well. Let us name this as P. I want all of you to make this figure.
So 90-degree angle.
Which angle, beta?
That angle X. It's 90.
Yeah, angle X and P are obviously 90 degree.
Yes.
Okay, you are saying to draw.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. By virtue of understanding, they are 90.
Yes.
Find the size of angle AHB. Means they are asking us this angle. Okay, so I could have done it in a very easy manner, not required any trigonometry here, just with the concept of some basic understanding of geometry, we can solve this. Shall I start? So tell me, beta, can you see that this shape is a trapezium? If I mark this point as O, let us say, can I say that OPXB is a trapezium?
So, if I have a question, if the thing A to B, if you're just trying to find angle H, then can't you do 40 plus 90 minus 180?
That's what I was saying. Yeah, that's
Oh.
that's a good thought. But wait, but in that case you will get this whole angle, beta. What
Oh,
they
you only want to find?
angle AHB. You just need to find this angle, beta.
Okay, okay.
Okay, good thought. That what you thought was correct. That also is a good way of finding it. Let's find the way that Akriti is saying. Let's find the way that Akriti is saying. So, beta, if you do this is 90, this is 40. What could be this angle? This could be, this whole angle could be 50 degree. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
Now, if this is 50, uh, sorry, this is 57, this is 90. What could be this small angle? This is small angle. Let me shade the area which I am talking about. I am talking about this angle. What will be this angle? If this is 90, this is 57, that could be 33. This angle is going to be 33 degree. Are you getting it, Shrimoy?
Yes.
Because 57 plus 33 is 90. So in a right angle triangle, Akriti and Shrimoy, in a right angle triangle, the sum of the other two angle is acute angle is always 90 degree. They are complementary angles. So if this is 57, this is going to be 33. Now the whole angle was came out to be 50 degree with the Akriti's method. So if the whole angle is 53 degree and this is 33, so what will be this angle, this yellow one? This will be 17 degree. And this is what was asked.
How did you get 17?
So I subtracted 33 from 50, beta.
But how did you get 50?
I got 50 because this was 40. Okay. Let me bring out the two triangles separately. This is A, this is P, this is H. Tell me, beta, if this is 40 degree, this is 90 degree, what could be this angle? Tell me. What will be this angle?
50 degrees.
50 degree. Understood how?
Yeah.
I am talking about triangle APH. Now let us again try to find out the angle in this. Look here, Shrimoy. Be careful. Now I will ask you, if this angle is 57 degree and this is 90 degree, can you now tell me what will be this angle? What will be this angle?
What's that acute angle rule you told us about 90 degrees?
What, beta?
What was the rule about acute angles at 90 degrees?
Rule about 90 degree. Okay, it's not a very big rule. It's a very simple rule. Do you know what is complementary angles?
I forgot what they were.
What are complementary angles? Tell me. Pair of angles whose sum is 90 degree. Pair of angles is whose sum is 90 degree. Can you tell me two pairs? Give me examples. Let us say 90 and 0.
45.
45. Very good. 45 and 45. What else? 60 and 30. 40 and 50. 70 and 20. Very good. 1 and 89. 90 and 0. Now tell me, in a triangle, if one of the angle is 90 degree, how much more is required to make 180?
90.
90 more. So that means these two angles are, that 90 will be splitted into these two angles. So what you will say these two angles as? Complementary angles. So if one of the angle is sine, then the other angle is cosine. This co means complementary. So in a right angle triangles, the two acute angles, the sum of the two acute angle is 90 degree. You can write down. You can mark a star and write down. In any right angle triangle, the sum of two acute angles is always 90, or we can say two acute angles are complementary to each other, Two acute angles are complement of each other. You have to think that way, then your calculation will become fast. Done?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, if one of the angle is 57, what will be this angle, beta?
90 minus 57.
What should be added to 57 to make this 90?
33.
And what was the total angle? 50?
Yeah.
So if this part is 33, what will be the other part?
50 minus 33.
50 minus 33, that is 17 degree. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So the first question was very easy. Find the size of angle AHB. So this was Akriti's way. I got a different way. This angle is how much? 90. 90 plus 90 is how much? 180. Can you tell me what will be this angle? See this quadrilateral. If the sum of two angle is 180, this is a trapezium.
Yeah.
So the sum of these two angles must be 180 because in a trapezium, the adjacent angles on the bases are supplementary.
Yeah.
So if this is 57, this could be 123. And if this is 123, this is vertically opposite angle which will be 123 as well.
So 123.
How it is 123? Okay. If sum of the two angle is 180 beta and one of the angle is 57, then what will be the other angle?
The question.
Okay. I have another plan for you. Can you see this figure, beta? Suppose this angle, these are two parallel lines. In a trapezium, there is a theorem that the sum of these two angles is 180 because they are co-interior angles. You know this or not? You don't know? Okay. So you must understand, if this line is parallel to another parallel line and if there is a transversal, the sum of the angles on the same side is always 180 degree. They are known as co-interior angles. So sum of these two angles is how much? 180. And this was given to us how much? 57 degree. 57? Yes. So now tell me beta, what will be this angle? This will be 180 minus 57. How much? 123. Shrimoy, understood?
Yes, sir.
Now, if this angle is 123 beta, then what could be this angle? Angle AOB. I am talking about this angle AOB. This is vertically opposite angle. If you look at it carefully, this is also 123. So that means in triangle AOH, I am talking about this triangle AOH. 123 plus 40 plus angle H is equal to 180. So angle H will be 180 minus 163, which will come out as 17 degree. The same answer will come out as well. So I like the way that Akriti did,
Thank you,
but
sir.
you should know that there are many ways to approach towards a particular kind of question.
Yes. What?
Understood? Good. Now shall we move to the next question, next part of the question?
Yes, sir.
Calculate the distance from the point B to the height H. Now I will make the figure again, the whole figure. So this angle is given as 57 degree. This is A, this is B, this came out to be 40 degree. This is H. Now they are asking us calculate the distance from point B to point H. So that means they are talking about BH now. Okay. So what could be this height? This is given as 156 meters, I think. Let us suppose this is X. This is given as 156 meters. I think it was 156 only. Yes.
Wait, sir, are they asking us to find the hypotenuse of one of the triangles?
Yes, they are asking us to find the hypotenuse of one of the triangles, the bigger triangle.
So we already have all the angles.
You have what? What do you have?
We have all the angles.
But you don't have any height.
Yeah, that's an issue.
So you can't use sine rule.
Can you use normal trigonometry?
Normal trigonometry. That means we will equate a side in two times. So let us first equate here. We need to solve this x. If we can understand what is x, then we can find this as well. Okay? Let us how to find the value of x. So we will say let this be base. Let bx be written as so I am writing this as h so that there is no confusion and writing this as x. Okay? Writing this as x and writing this as h. H is only this part. HP. So we will write in triangle APH, tan of 40 degree is equal to h upon x. Now see this, if this is x, this is going to be x as well. Are you getting it? Okay, so what will be x? X will be equal to h upon tan 40 degree. Any doubt? So this is the equation 1. We will mark this as equation 1. Now we will say that in triangle ABX, we will say that tan 57 is equal to h plus 156 upon x. So x will be equal to h plus 156 upon tan 57 degree. Let this be the equation 2. Please let me confirm me that we have understood up to this part. If any doubt is there, please ask me.
Just triangle ABX.
ABX ABX, sorry, good question asked. So it is HBX.
So I went to the answer scheme. They're saying attempt to use sine rule.
We will do that as well. But first let's do the normal trigonometry. Okay, they are saying to attempt through sine rule.
It says attempt to use sine rule, and then they found one angle as 130, and then they just used sine rule to find BH.
Okay. Yeah.
They
that
get
will-
130.
Yes, that's also a good way to find it. So we will find
Very
in both the ways. Okay, we will
Okay.
find both the ways. First, let's understand this as well. So tell me, beta, if this is also equal to x and this is also equal to x, can I say that both are equal to each other as well?
Yeah.
If two things are equal to the same thing, then they are equal to each other as well. So what we will do, we will say that h upon tan 40 degree is equal to h plus 156 upon tan 57 degree. So I will do the cross multiplication. I will write h tan 57 minus h tan 40 degree is equal to 156 into tan 40 degree. I cross multiplied h tan 57 minus h tan 40 I took on this side is equal to, when tan 40 is multiplied by 156, we will get 156 into tan 40 degree. I will take, yeah, tell me beta.
Is that H tan 57 minus H tan 40?
Yeah, see, when this will be multiplied by this and brought on this side, it will become h times 40 minus.
Understand that minus.
Okay, up to what part you have understood? Tell me, have you understood up to this part? Any doubt?
No.
So can we do the cross multiplication? Can I write h tan 57 is equal to h plus 156 times tan 40? Now h tan 57 is equal to, when you multiply this by this, you will get h tan 40 degree plus 156 tan 40 degree. Then I will bring this on this side. So h tan 57 minus h tan 40 degree is equal to 156 tan 40 degree. So I will take h common. In bracket I will get tan 57 minus tan 40 is equal to 156 tan 40 degrees. All right. So h is going to be equal to 156 tan 40 degree divided by tan 57 minus tan 40 degree. This is what our H is. Please write down up to here. I want to go to the last depth of this question with this way, just to see if it is we are on the right path. Suppose we forget the sine rule, then can we do it with another way as well? Sine rule is very simple, and in the examination you should follow that only. But I just want to check whether we can do this question by this method as well or not.
Oh, sir, tomorrow is Teacher's Day. So happy Teacher's Day in advance, sir.
Thank you.
I have to, you won't believe it, I have to wish 5 relatives happy Teacher's Day. 5.
Oh my god.
So many teachers I have.
Up to here, any doubt? Okay. Now we will write in this triangle I am talking about, the bigger triangle BHX. Sine 57 will be what? So we will say H plus 156 divided by BH. So BH will be equal to, I will take BH on this side, BH will be equal to H plus 156 divided by sine 57.
Doing another method, or is that the same method, like extension?
No. We have to do in a different method. This is the more complicated one. You can see there is a easier way to do this. Okay, if you are not, see, just don't write everything, just for the sake of understanding, understand that this is also one of the methods. In the examination you will follow only sine rule, and it is given that you have to follow the sine rule because the chapter is of trigonometry only.
So one thing is that it says that you'll get 1 mark if you use sine rule. That's what. So if you don't use sine rule but get same answer, I think you'll get 1 mark reduced.
Okay, and the time is also, it's taken a lot of time as well.
Yes, and it's a written test. We don't have online anymore. Now everything is written again.
Now time for calculator. So let's find H first. So I want you to please let me know all this calculations. Okay, please tell me what are in the numerator and the denominator. I will go one by one. Okay. So first, what was 57 degree tan minus, what was in the denominator? Can you tell me what was the other angle? Tan 57 minus
Tan 57 minus
And 40.
tan 40. So 40 degree I am writing tan 40. So I am getting 0.700. So the denominator is 0.700, and again I will find tan 40. Tan 40 multiplied by what was in the numerator? 156. 130.89. So 130.89. So I have to divide this by 0.7. So divide by 0.7. I am getting 186.99. So 186.99 can be considered as 187. This is what I am getting H now. Now I am adding 154, 156 on this. So 7 plus 6 is 13, 8 plus 5 is 13 plus 1, 14, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So 343 I am getting. And this has to be divided by sine 57, and that will be the right answer. Let us see. So 343 divided by sine 57. So I will write 57 and then I will write sine and then put equal to, so the answer is 408.98. Is this the right answer? Tell me.
40.
Approximately equal to any part of this 408.98.
Check. Where did it go? Yes, 409 only.
See, I just wanted to see whether I can reach to the answer in that way as well. Suppose we are lost, but can we reach to the point? So yes, we can reach to the final answer. See, I did the same way and I was not in a hurry, not panicking, nothing. Just following the same path one by one and make the use of the calculator as well. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Now Shrimoy, time to learn the easier way.
Okay. Wait,
So-
I will.
No, it's okay. I will show you. I understood. What I didn't saw at that time and which none of us saw at that time, that we already found one of the angle as this.
Yeah. 17.
And let's make use of it. So if we know one of the side is given, the side in the front of 17 degrees given to us. The triangle taken is ABH. And in that triangle, if this is 17 degree, can you tell me what could be this angle beta? This was given as 40, so this is 130. That means HB is the side in front of which angle? 130.
How did you get 130?
Because this angle is given as 40 beta and this is 90.
Oh,
What is 90 plus 40?
okay.
Okay. So this angle is 130 degrees. So what I didn't saw was that, and now we all need to work on this. Akriti and Shrimoy, whenever we've been asked a question, we have to sit on that side and look at front if any angle is given or not. So by luck, the angle was not given, but it was also given. It was given in a hidden way. So this was given to us. So that means the whole angle is 130. Now we can easily apply the sine rule. So we will write in triangle APH, ABH. We will write sine 17 upon 156. One of the side is given to us. And I didn't knew that why 156 was given to us, because we need to focus on this triangle, and that's why they asked us to find the other angle as well, first angle opposite to this. And is equal to, you can say, sine 130 upon, let us say, BH. So BH is equal to sine 30 into 156, sine 30 or 130, 130 divided by sine 17 degree. Now this is very easy. Just in one step you can get the answer. So I will write 130 degree sine and then multiply by 156 and then divide by 17 degree, sine 17. So I get 487.36. Have we done any mistake?
Wait.
In the calculation, I think I made some mistake. Let me see again.
Wait, note if radians are used, answer is 150. They
Okay.
did BH. Oh, okay. They didn't do 156. They put 156 by sine 17, BH upon sine 130.
It's same thing only, beta. If you
Okay.
reciprocal them, it is the same thing. Okay. So I think some calculation mistake is there. So 130 degree, first I am calculating the sine of this. So this is 0.76 multiplied by 156. 119.5 divided by, so 17 degree, so 17 sine 17 degree.
Did we have to do sine inverse? Oh no.
No, sine only. I got the answer. Calculation mistake. It was a calculation mistake.
Okay.
408.7 only. 408.7. Done?
Yes, sir. I was writing with you.
Yeah, please write down. So this is the sine rule, beta. Shrimoy. Easy way. But you have to see the triangles. Triangle watching is very important.
Triangle watching sounds like a sport.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Shrimoy, done, beta?
Yes.
So there is one more question. So they are saying that the hot air balloon remains at a constant height as it moves further away from the building. Okay?
Constant height as it moves further away.
Mean
How is
it-
it constant if it's moving away?
But the height is constant. It is not moving like this. It is
Oh.
moving like this. When the
Oh.
aircraft goes, see, rocket changes the height. Rocket goes like this. Okay? But hot balloon is going like this, horizontal. So height is constant. Height is when somebody goes, so aircraft when it goes like this. Suppose you see a movement of a bird. So bird goes like this, and then, but the hot balloon is going just like this. So they say that height is constant and it moves further away from the building. So that means the balloon is not coming this way, the balloon is going that way. So again, for your understanding, I am making the figure again.
Sir, what's the horizontal distance?
What, beta?
What did they mean by horizontal distance? Like the
Horizontal
flat-
distance.
Did they mean the flat distance?
Yeah, this is so. How you walk? Tell me. You know what is horizontal? What is vertical? When you walk on a daily basis, how do you walk? You walk vertically or you walk horizontally?
Horizontal.
So horizontal means with respect to the earth, parallel in the earth direction. When vertically means you are going in the sky direction. Getting it?
Yes.
Okay. So the hot air balloon is going like this. So it is, let us suppose, imagine that after some times the balloon is here. Let us understand the balloon is here. So when the balloon is here, what is happening? You can see the angle which was initially how much, 40 or 57, 57 degree, is going to reduce. The angle is going to reduce, and this reduction will cause this angle also. See, if I draw a line like this, can you see that these two angles are equal? Which angle I am showing you? Sir, you are saying these two angles, but what are those two angles? So I am saying, can you see these two angles are equal? They are alternate interior angles. What are they? Alternate interior angles. Can you hear me, all of you? Now, after some time, the angle is reduced to here. That means they are talking only about this angle now. I am showing you. Now they are interested in only this angle. So they are saying at what rate is the angle reducing? At what rate is the angle reducing? So reduction can be found if you know that this angle is how much, because this is the only reduction. Initial angle was here, now it is just this, so this is what reducing. You see the, describe in words the change in the angle of depression from point H to point B as the horizontal distance between the balloon and the building increases. So you have to say what is happening. You have to say in the words. So what you will say, the angle of depression is change. What is it is increasing or decreasing? Decreasing. So you will say the change in the angle of, so as we move from point H to point B, as the horizontal distance between the balloon and the building increases, the angle of depression decreases. The angle of depression decreases. This is what you need to say. That's it. Just check the answer, what is written there.
The angle of depression from the hot air balloon gets smaller as the horizontal distance increases.
Yes, that's just one line you need. For the understanding, I made the figure.
Yeah.
What's the reasoning, sir?
What, beta?
On the answer, what is the reasoning, sir?
Yeah, there is no reasoning for that. Is there any reasoning, Akriti? It's a common sense. They told you describe in words, beta. You have to say just the words.
Only 1 mark, Shrimoy. They won't ask for much. 1 mark. They literally said gets smaller, not decreases. They said the angle of depression from hot air balloon gets smaller as the
So smaller is a synonym of decreasing.
Yeah. But see, they didn't do it formal also, so that means, it's small mark.
So do I just say as we move from point H to point B, the angle of depression decreases?
Yes, that's it. One more question. The diagram shows points in a park viewed from the above. So we are watching from above. Okay, let us say we are watching downwards. This is Earth. A and B is 6.36 meters, the distance between two trees. These are two trees. Audit is playing football in the park and is standing at point O, such that angle AOB is 10 degree, OA is 25.9 degree, angle OAB is obtuse angle. Calculate the size of angle ABO.
Oh, sir, 1 minute. It started very heavily raining.
Okay. So you need to bring wiper.
Close the window. Be careful. Is it closed? I will pass out very sporadically. Sorry, sir.
It's okay, beta. No need to be sorry for anything.
Thank you. Sir, it started all of a sudden so heavy, water came inside my room.
Oh my god.
Yeah, oh no. Very heavy rain. Tomorrow is Teacher's Day, so our school is asking us to wear jeans and a black top, and we're gonna take care of a classroom for a few hours.
You can teach this.
Yeah, we'll teach third graders this.
So I can just draw the diagram. I don't need to write the question.
No, diagram must be drawn.
So I don't need to write the question.
No. Just diagram.
Okay.
So if two of the sides are given to us, one of the angle is given to us. So how can we find the another angle? So we can say first we need to find this angle. So we can say OB upon
Sine rule.
sine rule only. So OB upon sine A is equal to AB upon sine 10 degree.
Isn't it sine A upon OB and sine 10 upon AB?
Both will work, beta. Both of them will work. See, if you say phi upon 1 is equal to 10 upon 2, you can also say 1 upon phi is equal to 2 by 10.
Where's the answer?
Both works. Is equal to, what is the third side? We can say OB upon OB is done. So we will say AB upon sine, that also done. So OA upon sine B. But my problem is, we have been given two sides. So what are the two sides which are given to us? Is OB given to us? No. So first we need to find OB. How we can find OB? So we know the value of sine 10. We know the value of AB. We know the value of OA. So first we need to calculate what is sine B. First what will we calculate? Sine B. But with that sine B, what will happen? It will not help us out. Then that means angle B, if I calculate angle B as well. Okay, so if we get angle B, we can subtract it from 180 minus this plus this, so we can get angle A as well. Alright? See, you can't directly find angle A because this side is also not given to us. So what we can do is, we can find angle B and the sum of two angles and subtract it from 180. That's it. We can find the angle A, this angle. So we will use this part of it, because these are the three things which are given to us, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so sine B is equal to, I will write sine B is equal to OA into sine 10 degree divided by AB. So OA is how much? 25.9 into sine 10 degree divided by AB is how much? 6.36. So what I will do is take the help of the calculator. So what is the first value? 25.9 multiplied by, no, first I will divide, I think that should be done much. 25.9 divided by 6.36. So I got as 4.07. Then I will multiply by sine 10 degree and I will get as 0.707. So sine B I am getting as 0.707. So B is going to be sine inverse 0.707. So to find sine inverse, what I'll do is 0.707 and I'm going to find this sine inverse, sine H. So I'm getting 0.767. But this is too low. Sine inverse 0.707. So inverse, yeah, okay. 0.707 sine inverse. I'm getting 45 degree beta.
Yes, that's correct.
44.99 I think. So this angle is 45, close to very 45 and plus 10, 65. So the other angle is going to be 65, 55. So 180 minus 55. So I think the answer should be 125. Is the angle A 125?
No, it's 45.
Now which angle they are asking? OAB can't be 45 beta. It is obtuse angle. See.
Wait, you're doing triangle, area of triangle AOB?
No, I am finding angle AOB. That's it.
So what did you get for angle B?
What you are saying, beta?
Angle B is 45 degrees.
Yeah, angle B is 45. That's fine. I'm talking about angle A.
Angle A. 6.
Okay. They asked us angle.
67.5.
Oh my god. So they asked angle ABO. They didn't ask this angle. Okay. I was
Yeah,
in
that's what I was thinking.
So that's 45 degree. Yeah, 45 degree.
Yeah.
So no need to that last part. 45 is the answer. So this will come out as 45 degree beta.
Yes.
See Shrimoy? You understood how to take sine inverse 0.707 and this is coming as 45 degree. That's it. Alright. So actually I was in a impression that I need to find this angle AOB. I didn't saw this part.
Okay. The next question says that, I think. The next question says calculate the area of triangle AOB.
Okay. So how you can calculate the area? I told you half into, what was the formula beta?
Half into length into height.
Half into base into height.
Base.
Okay. You didn't remember that formula? Sine rule. Now Akriti will share her screen. Akriti, share your screen.
Yes, sir.
Open IXL.
Yes. Can you see, sir?
Yes. Open IXL. So Srimoy didn't remember the formula as well. It is the multiplication of two sides into sine of the middle angle. Go to learning beta. Go to trigonometry. Sorry, go to geometry.
Geometry.
Yes. I told her to do some questions as well in that. Now come scroll down some more. See, you will find trigonometry, then you have to come 3 times. This is geometry. Yeah, law of sine and cosine. Law of sine and cosine. Can you see that? R. Area of the triangle, sine formula. Yes, click on this. So watch the video, open the video, and please write down Shrimoy today as well.
I'm not sure if I'm sharing audio.
It's okay, we have heard it already. You should hear. Yeah, I can hear.
Can you hear it?
Yes.
Triangle with the sine formula. The formula for the area of a triangle is 1/2 times the length of the triangle's base times the triangle's height, or 1/2 times b times h. Take a look at this triangle here. The base of our triangle is side AC, and the height is the length of this segment, BD, which is also called the altitude of triangle ABC. So we can rewrite the equation like this, using the segment names for the parts of our triangle. But what do we do if we don't know the length of the altitude? How do we solve for the triangle's area? Let's take a look at an example and find out. Here we have the triangle QRS, and we want to find the length of RP and the area of the triangle. Remember, we can find the area of a triangle by multiplying 1/2 the base and the height. But we don't know the height of this triangle, RP. So how can we find RP? Well, since triangle PQR is a right triangle, and we know the length of side QR in the measure of angle Q, we can use trigonometry to find RP. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse, so the sine of angle Q is RP over QR. If we substitute the given values, we get sine of 38 degrees equals RP over 7. To solve for RP, let's multiply both sides of our equation by 7. And then we can simplify using our calculators to find that the length of RP is approximately 4.3096 inches, or rounded to the nearest tenth, 4.3 inches. Now that we know the height, we can find the triangle's area. The area is equal to 1/2 times the base times the height. We'll substitute 10 for our base and 4.3096 for the height. Evaluating this expression, we see that the area is approximately 21.5481 square inches. In rounding to the nearest tenth, the area equals 21.5 square inches. Now, you may have noticed that we started this problem given the lengths of two sides of our triangle in the measure of the angle that they form, which is called their included angle. Whenever we're given a triangle labeled this way, we can actually simplify the process and use the sine formula to find the area. The formula looks like this. All of these formulas show that the area of a triangle equals 1/2 times the product of the two sides times the sine of their included angle. So to find the area given sides A,
Write down.
and B,
Make the triangle, write down on the formula. Make the triangle, write down all the formula.
Depending on the information we are given. Let's try this out with our...
Yeah, make the triangle, write down all the formula. I think I asked Chimoy to write that day as well, but she forgot. Okay, so how to remember it? So half multiplied by two sides and the sine of the included angle. Half multiplied by two sides and the sine of the included angle. So which two sides are given to us in this question? These two sides are given to us. So the third side, the middle angle is how much? I'm going to make this on the other page. Till the time you are writing, let me make the figure. Understood, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this angle came out to be 10 degree. This came out to be 45 degree. So this angle is how much, beta? 125 degree. See? Because 45 plus 10 is how much? 55.
Oh, okay. Yes, sir. Understood.
Shrimoy, understood, beta? You can stop sharing, Akriti.
Okay, sir.
So Shrimoy, understood now, beta? If this angle is 10, beta, this is 45, so this could be 125. And because these two sides are only given, so what we will write? Half into 25.9 into 6.36 into sine of 125 degree. So 6.36 can become 3.18. So I will use a calculator. 25.9 multiplied by 3.18 is 82.62, and then multiplied by 125 and then sine of that angle, and I am getting as 67.46. So the area should be 67.5 meters square. You have to write the unit as well. See if the area is correct or not.
Show your screen.
67.5 meters square.
67 point. Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
Shrimoy, understood, beta? Which formula you will use? Half into product of two sides and the sine of included angle. Okay? Now they have one more question. Odet's friend Kemil is standing at point K such that he is 12 meter from A and angle KAB is 45 degree. Okay. Standing at point K, where is point K? This is point K. Such that this is 12 degree, this is 45 degree. Now they are asking measure of angle KAB is 45 degree. Calculate the Kemil's distance from B. So it is 6.36 only, beta. Very easy question. Huh? No. Wait. This is not 6.36. Sorry. So this is 12. Okay, this is 12. This is 45 degree. So that means we can say to find the third side now we will use cosine rule. Which rule we will use? Cosine rule. Just give me a minute. Okay. So cosine rule says that bk square is equal to 12 square plus 6.36 whole square minus 2 into 12 into 6.36 into cos of 45 degree. You know about this? The cosine rule means if two sides and the included angle are given Akriti and you need to find the opposite side. Suppose in a triangle, see this. In a triangle, if this is given and this particular angle is given, then and you want to know this side, so you will say C is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Okay, this is cosine rule.
Okay.
Okay, this is square. So in the sine rule it is a ratio, in a cosine rule it is a square. So we need to find the length of BK. So we will write BK square is equal to, and how I thought that cosine rule will be required, because only one angle is given to us. There is no information about the another angle. Okay, and the angle in the front of, see, angle in the front of these two sides is also not given. In the front of 6.36, that is also not given, and the angle from the in the front of 12 is also not given to us. So that means if two of the angles are unknown and we know only the included angle and the two sides, which rule we will use? Cosine rule we will use. So bk square is going to be 12 square is 144, 6.36. Let's multiply 6.36. So 6.36 multiplied by 6.36, 40.4496 plus I am adding 144 to it. So I am getting 5824.7424. So I am writing 5824.7424. This is the sum of 12 square and 6.36 square. Are you getting it? Then what is 2 into 12? 24. So 24 multiplied by 6.36 is 152.64 minus 152.64 into cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2, or you can say root 2 upon 2. So I will multiply this by root 2. So where I can get the root? I can get the root. Can I get the root here? Yes. So divide by 2 root, and then, oh, I divided or I multiplied? Sorry. Wait. How much I got? 152.64. So 152.64 multiplied by 2 root, and then I will divide it by 2. So I will get 8.937. So 5824.724 minus how much we got as? We got at 8.937 minus 8.937. So 5824 minus 8.937. So we have to do the square root of this. So it is coming as 76.26. So BK is coming as 76.26.
Is there anything written before root?
What, beta?
Is there anything written before root 2?
Anything what?
Is there anything written before root 2?
No.
It is root 2 by 2.
Yeah, cos 45 degree is actually 1 by root 2. That is the value. You can directly find the value of cos 45 degree as well. I know that cos 45 degree is root 2 by 2. This value I know it. I knew it already. So that's why I used it. You can directly find the value of cos 45 degree. Check the answer. Is it correct?
It's 8.75.
The answer is 8.75.
Yes. And the radian answer is 10.25.
Okay, I think some mistake I have
So
done.
what they did was they did BK is equals to the square root.
Yeah, that's what I am saying, the same thing.
Yeah.
So 12 square plus 6.36 whole square minus
2 into 12.
into 6.36. Okay, I added, I think, instead of subtracting.
Oh, okay, that's why the number is so big.
Okay. So 144 plus, so sorry. So 6.36, again I am doing the same thing, and plus 144, 184 point, okay, my god. 184 was the number, 0.44 minus, so 2AB, 24 into 6.36. So 24 into 6.36 is 152.64. So 152.64 into cos 45 degree. So into 45 of cos. So I got as 107.93. So 184. So 184.44 minus 184 plus 0.44. Oh my god. 184.44 minus 107.93. 107.93. 76.51. So BK we will get as under root of 76.91. So the under root is 8.74 beta.
Yes.
So 8.74 meter. Calculate the camel's distance from B. Understood?
Sir.
So up to question number 6 we have done completely.
So can you show me?
Yeah, I can show you beta.
I heard your mom scolding Chom Chom Shimoy.
Okay. I hope the concept is clear now beta.
Yes, sir.
So remaining questions we can proceed on Sunday.
Sunday.
Okay, you can't join on Saturday 8 to 9.
I will try to join if I can, sir.
Yeah, please let me know. Then I can schedule the class for both of you. 8 to 9 I am free Saturday.
Yes.
If you don't come, then I go for the party. So
Okay, sir.
so save my money and come in the class.
Okay, sir.
Chalo, bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, beta, bye.